Good morning, students. So, in the previous classes, we learned the definition of congruent lines, or when do we say two or more lines are congruent, and some properties related to triangles. We learn. So, today in this class, I'm going to teach you how to find the orthocenter of a triangle when the three vertices of a triangle are given. So, this is a important question and important concept also, how to find the orthocenter of a triangle when the vertices are given. So let us learn. The problem is, find the orthocenter of a triangle whose vertices are minus 5 comma minus 7, 13 comma 2 and minus 5 comma 6. Here the question, what is given here? Three vertices of a triangle are given. Three vertices of a triangle are given. Here we have to find out the orthocenter of a triangle. So to find out the orthocenter of a triangle, what is orthocenter? Orthocenter is nothing but the point of concurrence of altitudes of a triangle. The point of concurrence of altitudes. So we have to find out the any equation of a two altitudes. So then finding the by finding the equations of altitudes and then solving them by cross multiplication, we will get the orthocenter of a triangle. So first of all, we have to find out the equations of a two altitudes. So from the given data. So here look at the board. Solution. Here. So let us assume A comma B comma C. Triangle A comma B comma C. And what it says A B C. So let us take here minus 5 comma minus 7. B is here 13 comma 2 and here C minus 5 comma 6. So let A minus 5 comma minus 7 and B 13 comma 2 and C minus 5 comma 6 be the vertices. Vertices of a triangle. This is given. So it is given. So here we have to find out the orthocenter. Orthocenter is nothing but a already I told that orthocenter is nothing but a all the three altitudes of a triangle are intersecting at a point. That point is called the orthocenter of a triangle. So clearly here three altitudes are meeting at a point. So from this concept we have to find out the equation of any two altitudes of a triangle. Then you can easily find the orthocenter of a triangle. So now let us take a altitude coming from a vertex A which is perpendicular to its opposite side. So let us say this altitude D, and similarly take one more altitude from B perpendicular to its opposite side. So now in the from so and AB and Here let us say this is E. AD, BE are the altitudes. Are the altitudes. The altitudes. So here in this question we have to find out the equation of any two altitudes. So here we assume that AD is altitude, B is altitude. So we have to find out the equation of AD and equation of BE from the given data. So here, yes, we can easily find the equation of AD because clearly it is given that this a line uh, having a point minus 5 comma minus 7 and which is perpendicular to the line BC. So clearly this AD is perpendicular to BC. So that's why from that we can find the slope of AD. We can easily find the slope of AD. So before finding the slope of AD, we have to find out the slope of BC. Let us find the slope of BC. Slope of BC. So slope of BC is nothing but that is a formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So BC now right y2 minus y2 y1 and x2 minus x1. So that is 6 minus 2 4 and here minus 5 minus 13 minus 5 minus 13 is clearly minus 18. So from this we can it is simplified 2 by 9 minus 2 by 9. So here minus 2 by 9 is the slope of BC. So now we can find the slope of AD. Slope of AD. Slope of AD is nothing but which is this AD is perpendicular to BC. So that's why slope of AD is nothing but minus 1 by slope of BC. Minus 1 by slope of BC. So this gives 9 by 2. This gives 9 by 2. So slope of AD is 9 by 2. Now here as a altitude having the point minus 5 comma minus 7 and also slope 9 by 2. So by taking the point slope form we can easily find the equation of AD. Now let us find out the equation of AD. So equation of AD. Equation of AD is nothing but by using the point slope form y minus y1 having the point here y minus y1 and nothing but y plus 1 is equal slope is 9 by 2 and into x minus x1 x1 is plus 5, that becomes plus 5. So then that can be simplified y plus 7 is equal you can write 2 into y plus 7 is equal to 9 into x plus 5 So then 2y plus 14 and 9x plus 45 and then this 9x minus 2i and plus 45 minus 14 is equal to 0. So 9x minus 2i here 45 minus 14 is clearly 5 minus 4 is 1, 4 minus 1 is 3, 31. So 9x minus 2y plus 31 is equal to 0 is the equation of AD. So similarly we have to find out the equation of the altitude BE. Equation of altitude BE from using the point slope form. Here simply we have to find out the slope of BE. That can be easily find out because which is perpendicular to AC. So now we have to find out the first of all slope of AC. Then obviously we get the slope of BE. So let us find out the slope of AC. Slope of AC. The slope of AC is nothing but y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 at 6 plus 7 by minus 5 plus 5 minus 5 plus 5. So 6 plus 7 that 13. So 13 by 0. 13 by 0. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So 13 by 0. 13 by 0 is nothing but infinite. 13 by 0 is infinite. So slope of AC is infinite. Now then for slope of B clearly minus 1 by infinite. Minus 1 by infinite is 0. Minus 1 by infinite is 0. So we so slope of B is 0. So clearly we get the slope of B. So clearly B having the point 13,2 and having the slope 0. So by using the point slope form we can find the equation of altitude BE. So let us find out equation of BE. Equation of BE. So note down the first equation of the first altitude is this one. So that is 9x minus 2y plus 45 is equal to 0. So then now what is that? Equation of BE. Equation of what BE is y minus y1. So why? Because so having the point 13,2 as having the point 13,2 and also having the slope y minus y1, y minus 2, m is 0. So x minus x1 minus 30. So which gives y minus 2 is equal to 0. This is the equation of BE. So now this is the equation of AD is 9x minus 2y plus 31 is equal to 0. 31 is equal to 0. So here we have to find out the point of intersection of these two lines. We have to find out the point of intersection of these two lines. So let us find out the point of intersection of these two lines. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So from the equation 2, so we get y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2. So then substituting the value of y in equation 1 we get. So what is equation 1? 9x minus 2y plus 31 is equal to 0. So 9x minus 2y is 2 plus 31 is equal to 0. So 9x minus 4 plus 31 is equal to 0. So 9x 31 minus 4, 27. So is equal to 0. Then 9x is equal to minus 27. X is equal minus 3. X is equal minus 3. So therefore orthocenter O is minus 13 comma 2. Minus 13 comma 2. So this is the method of finding the orthocenter of a triangle when the three vertices of a triangle are given. So do you understand, students? Okay, good. So we will meet in the next class.